Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to see CATIA Sketcher workbench profile toolbar. In profile we will see options available in predefined profiles. So drag down its sub toolbar and we can find the predefined profile option, in which we have already completed rectangle tool. Let's see the oriented rectangle. So click on the oriented rectangle option and the sketch tool will get expand. Here we can provide the first point of the this oriented rectangle by providing horizontal and vertical distance, or directly we can click on the screen. So I will provide the first point of the line. If I provide the second point of the line as a lying on horizontal and vertical, then we can not see the difference in the rectangle and oriented rectangle. If you want to create the oriented rectangle, then first line should be angle. So I'm providing second line at this point. Automatically line will create it, and while providing the third point we can see the rectangle is being created. I am providing this third point. Click on the screen. Let's draw the rectangle. See the difference here. This will have the lines vertical and horizontal. It will have this slide adjacent sides 90 degree to the first created line. And in case of parallelogram, let's see the difference. So we have to first provide the first point of the line, second point of the line. So we can see the automatic snapping of the constraints. If you don't want that, then click on the shift button, so it will turn off. We have to keep pressing the shift button. Now I'm clicking second point of this line. Again, while providing the third point for creation of adjacent sides of the rectangle, click on the screen and see the difference between three elements. It is having 90 degree and vertical horizontal lines, and it is having 90 degree with the first line. We can see the difference here. This is, we can control the angle between the adjacent sides with respect to the first created line. So by using these tools we can create the different shape of the parallelograms, and to control the dimension of these shapes we can use the constraint toolbar. Okay, either we can provide from sketch tool while creating the sketches, or you can use the constraint tool. So click on the constraint option and select the required element, what you want to control. So I want to control this line length. So if you want to use this any tool in CATIA in repetitive mode, then double click on the tool. So if I single click on the tool, it will work for one time, and if I double click, and it will go to the repeat mode. So if I select this line, see, again the tool is activated automatically. You can create a number of elements, dimensions. Just select the required element and place the dimension. To provide the location dimension, you can constrain the point with respect to horizontal, vertical, and this angle. So we can see here, after providing the dimensions, it will get fully constrained. So in case of this rectangle, its shape is fixed, but its location is not fixed with respect to horizontal and vertical. Select both the elements and generate a dimension. You can see this is fully constrained. Again, for this parallelogram, select this vertical and I will select this point. Okay. Again this point and this horizontal. Also you have to provide the angle with respect to this horizontal or vertical. See, after providing dimensions, you can see the sketch is fully constrained. So after some practice you will get good idea of this constraint creation to create the fully constrained sketches. Thank you.